going to be making a pumpkin pie old fashioned with bullet bourbon, a apple pie whiskey sour with Jack Daniel's apple, and a peach cobbler shooter with Crown Royal peach.
I love that we went with whiskey for all three of these dessert cocktails. I feel like whiskey just makes me feel warm and cozy, you know?
Yes.
Like the holidays, you just want to feel warm and cozy. I'm excited.
We order all of our booze from bottlerover.com. Be sure to check out their website or download their app and get booze delivered directly to your door.
So you can make these cocktails with us. Do you want to make liquid dessert
For Thanksgiving,
for your friends and family? Be that hostess.
with the mostest.
The mostest. Baby girl.
My favorite holiday dessert is definitely pumpkin pie.
We made a pumpkin pie old fashioned. Let's dive right into this.
First, add 2 ounces of bullet bourbon. Then add 3/4 ounce of pumpkin spiced syrup. 2 dashes of chocolate bitters. Give it a stir. And garnish with a cinnamon stick and a cherry.
Cheers to pumpkin pie goodness. Wow.
Yes.
This tastes like the holidays, actually. And boozy.
I love that it's such a classic cocktail and we elevated it with our own pumpkin spice syrup. And if you're an old-fashioned fan, I know there's people out there that just love themselves an old-fashioned. This is for you, honey.
This is your
Get in
drink.
on it.
This is your drink right here. Would it really be a holiday without apple pie?
I think it's definitely an American staple for sure.
We had to make an apple pie cocktail.
You ain't ready?
No, they're not ready for this
You
one.
are not ready.
Ready or not, here's the apple pie whiskey sour.
First, add a 1/4 cup of diced apples and a pinch of cinnamon. Muddle that up. Add 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of simple syrup, 1 ounce of egg white, and 2 ounces of Jack Daniel's apple. Roll your cocktail into your pie crust cinnamon sugar rimmed glass. And top it off with a apple and cinnamon garnish. Look at this beauty. Oh, she a star.
She bad.
Yes.
Wow.
First you get the pie crust, then you get the apple cocktail, and then the bits of apple in it. I'm a fan.
Yes.
I love that we left the pulp in there.
It's actually my favorite. I think that if you're not a fan of that, you can always strain it out, but I'm loving it inside. This might be my favorite one.
It tastes like straight liquefied apple pie. Fresh out the oven.
Heaven in a glass. It tastes like your grandma's apple pie. I assure you.
Yeah. It might be better than your grandma's apple pie. Don't tell her I said it.
Don't tell her.
But don't hurt her feelings or whatever. But it might be better than your grandma's apple pie.
Don't tell her.
Uh-huh.
Oh my God. I can't stop drinking this. And last but not least,
The peach cobbler shooter.
ooh, let's get right into it. Shooter.
This shooter is super simple to make. It's equal parts of Crown Royal peach and rum chata. Yum. Rim your shooters with cinnamon and brown sugar, and then garnish that with whipped cream and a peach gummy ring.
How cute are these?
Adorable.
Okay, should
Okay,
we
we're
do
doing
these?
these. We're gonna shoot
do
these.
these.
We're gonna
Okay, so here's how you do it. You're gonna lick the rim, take the shot, you're gonna eat your little candy. How fun is that?
It's the best time ever.
Cheers. That is so good, you guys. Bomb. Amazing. What a great ending. Fireworks.
There should be fireworks.
It's so good. It's really, really good. You know when you go to a Thanksgiving party and they have like 1,000,000 desserts? So now you can be the dessert liquid guy or girl. Like there's too many
Spice it
pies.
up.
There's too many pies.
Nobody eats all the pie.
Nobody. But they will drink it if it's a liquid pie.
Yeah, they would.
Which one of these would you guys make at your holiday parties? Comment below your favorite.
And if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe.